So hello guys and welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today we're going to talk about how to find your Bitcoin address on Binance, and it's a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. So let's get right into it. So to find your Binance address, your Bitcoin address here on Binance, you'll have to first log into your Binance. And as you can see here, this is going to be the homepage for Binance. Then next you're just going to have to go to your wallets and go to fiat and spot. Here it's in the top right there, spot. And then from there you just have to search the cryptocurrency that you're going to use, which is Bitcoin right here. Then from there you'll have to press deposit crypto. And then from there you'll have to choose the network that you're going to use, which is going to be BEP20, Bitcoin, BEP2, Segwit, ERC20, and the new Lightning network. So we're just going to choose the most popular one, which is BEP20. And then there you go. You have the address ready for it to be shared. So it's either you can copy the link or the address, then send it to someone you need to receive payment from Bitcoin, or you can just let them scan the QR code right here for the BTC deposit address. And that's just how you find your Bitcoin address on Binance. And thank you for watching this video. See you again next time.